Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Monzo Bank is struggling. I'm sure you've all heard of Monzo by now. It's a challenger bank that's been around for a few years and has gained a lot of popularity. But recently, there have been some reports that Monzo is struggling financially. So, what's going on? Is Monzo really in trouble? And if so, what does this mean for the future of challenger banks? I'm going to try to answer all of these questions in this video. So, let's get started. What is Monzo Bank? Before we get into why Monzo is struggling, let's first talk about what Monzo is. Monzo is a challenger bank that was founded in 2015. It's a digital-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, credit cards, and overdrafts. Monzo has been very successful in attracting customers. As of September 2021, it had over 6 million customers. Why is Monzo struggling? There are a number of reasons why Monzo is struggling. High costs. Monzo is a relatively new bank, and it's still investing heavily in its growth. This means that its costs are high. Slow growth. Monzo's growth has slowed down in recent years. This is due to a number of factors, including the COVID-19 pandemic and increased competition from other challenger banks. Losses. Monzo has been making losses for the past few years. In its most recent financial year, it made a loss of £139 million. Regulatory scrutiny. Monzo is under increased regulatory scrutiny from the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. The FCA has concerns about Monzo's risk management and financial controls. What does this mean for the future of Monzo? It's difficult to say what the future holds for Monzo. However, there are a number of things that the bank could do to improve its situation. Reduce costs. Monzo could reduce its costs by cutting back on marketing and advertising expenses. Increase growth. Monzo could increase its growth by expanding its product offerings and targeting new customers. Raise more capital. Monzo could raise more capital from investors to help fund its growth. Monzo is a challenger bank that is facing a number of challenges. However, the bank is still relatively young and has a lot of potential. It's possible that Monzo will be able to overcome these challenges and become a successful bank in the long term. So, that's all I have for you today. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of why Monzo is struggling. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.